In this video, we are diving into the topic of 9 pickup trucks so reliable you will never regret buying them. Are you fed up with certain engine failures? Do you get tired of constant repairs? Do you want an extreme pickup truck that won't let you down? Whether you need a truck for work, play, or everyday use, we will provide insights that will help you make an informed decision without wasting your hard-earned money anymore. Stick around because we are going to unveil our top options, which get at least 7.5 out of 10 high rating at Edmunds for the most reliable pickup trucks on the market. Let's get started. Number 9. Ford Maverick. With 7.5 out of 10 rating, the Ford Maverick has quickly gained a reputation for reliability, making it a standout choice in the compact truck segment. One of its most impressive features is fuel efficiency, which is particularly appealing for urban drivers. With an estimated 40 miles per gallon in the city, the Maverick allows you to navigate crowded streets and tight parking spaces without constantly worrying about fuel costs. What sets the Maverick apart is its innovative hybrid option, which not only enhances fuel economy but also contributes to its overall reliability. This hybrid powertrain is designed to minimize wear and tear, ensuring that your truck remains dependable for years to come. Customer satisfaction ratings for the Maverick have been overwhelmingly positive, with many owners praising its practicality and performance. Additionally, Ford offers a competitive warranty that adds an extra layer of confidence for buyers. With its combination of efficiency, innovative features, and strong customer support, the Ford Maverick is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable and versatile pickup truck. Number 8. GMC Sierra 1500. With 7.7 out of 10 rating, the GMC Sierra 1500 has built a solid reputation for durability and performance, making it a top contender in the full-size pickup truck market. One of its standout features is the range of robust engine options available, from the efficient turbocharged 4-cylinder to the powerful V8 engines. This versatility allows the Sierra to handle impressive towing capabilities, with some configurations able to tow over 11,000 pounds, making it ideal for both work and play. In addition to its performance, the Sierra 1500 is equipped with advanced safety features that enhance its reliability on the road. Technologies like forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control work together to provide peace of mind, ensuring that you and your passengers are well protected. Inside, the Sierra boasts a luxurious interior that rivals many high-end SUVs, with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. Including an intuitive infotainment system, the driving experience is both comfortable and enjoyable. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or cruising through the city, the GMC Sierra 1500 delivers a perfect blend of strength, safety, and sophistication. Number 7. Honda Ridgeline. With 7.9 out of 10 rating, the Honda Ridgeline stands out in the pickup truck market thanks to its unique features and impressive reliability ratings. One of its most notable attributes is its unibody construction, which not only enhances handling but also improves safety. This design allows for a smooth ride compared to traditional body-on-frame trucks, making it an excellent choice for both city driving and off-road adventures. Another highlight of the Ridgeline is its versatile cargo space. With an innovative in-bed trunk that provides additional storage, you can easily store away tools, gear, or groceries without sacrificing bed space. This thoughtful design makes the Ridgeline incredibly practical for everyday use and weekend getaways. Customer reviews consistently emphasize the Ridgeline's comfort and reliability, with many owners praising its spacious interior and smooth ride quality. The truck's reputation for dependability is backed by high reliability ratings, making it a smart investment for those seeking a vehicle that can handle both work and leisure. Overall, the Honda Ridgeline combines innovative features with a commitment to safety and comfort, making it a standout choice in the pickup truck segment. Number 6. Hyundai Santa Cruz. With 8.1 out of 10 rating. Introducing the Hyundai Santa Cruz, a fresh and exciting contender in the pickup truck market that combines modern design with innovative features. With its sleek, sporty exterior and bold lines, the Santa Cruz stands out from traditional trucks, appealing to those who appreciate a contemporary aesthetic. Inside, you will find a well-appointed cabin filled with advanced technology, including a user-friendly infotainment system and a suite of connectivity options that keep you in touch on the go. When it comes to performance, the Santa Cruz doesn't disappoint. With a choice of powerful engines, it delivers impressive acceleration and towing capabilities, making it suitable for both daily commutes and weekend adventures. Hyundai's industry-leading warranty further enhances its reliability, providing peace of mind for buyers who want a dependable vehicle. The Santa Cruz is designed to cater to both urban and outdoor lifestyles, offering versatility that allows you to navigate city streets with ease, while also accommodating your adventurous spirit. Whether you are hauling gear for a camping trip or simply running errands around town, the Hyundai Santa Cruz is a reliable and stylish choice for modern drivers. Number 5. GMC Canyon. With 8.1 out of 10 rating, the GMC Canyon has carved out a strong reputation for reliability and performance in the competitive mid-size truck segment. One of its standout features is the range of powerful engine options, including a robust V6 and a turbocharged diesel variant. These engines provide impressive towing capacities and off-road capabilities, making the Canyon an excellent choice for adventure seekers and those who need a dependable workhorse. Inside, the Canyon offers a comfortable and well-designed interior that prioritizes user experience with high-quality materials and an intuitive infotainment system. Drivers and passengers alike can enjoy a pleasant ride. Features like smartphone integration and advanced safety technologies further enhance the overall driving experience, ensuring that you stay connected and secure on the road. Reliability ratings for the GMC Canyon are consistently strong, with many customer reviews praising its durability and performance. Owners often highlight its smooth ride and versatility, making it suitable for both daily driving and rugged terrain. With its combination of power, comfort, and reliability, the GMC Canyon stands out as a top choice for those seeking a mid-sized truck that can handle a variety of tasks with ease. Number 4. Ram 1500. With 8.1 out of 10 rating, the Ram 1500 has established itself as a top choice in the full-size pickup truck market, thanks to its impressive reliability and a host of standout features. One of its most notable attributes is its towing capacity, which can reach up to 12,750 pounds when properly equipped. With a variety of powerful engine options, including a very efficient V6 and a robust V8, the Ram 1500 is designed to handle heavy loads with ease, making it ideal for both work and recreation. Inside, the Ram 1500 offers a luxurious interior that rivals many high-end vehicles with premium materials, spacious seating, and advanced technology. The cabin is designed for comfort and convenience. Features like a large touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone integration, and a premium sound system enhance the driving experience, ensuring that every journey is enjoyable. The Ram 1500 has received numerous awards and high reliability ratings, reinforcing its standing in the market. Recognized for its overall performance and customer satisfaction, the Ram 1500 continues to be a favorite among truck enthusiasts who value durability, comfort, and capability in their vehicles. Number 3. Ford F-150. With 8.1 out of 10 rating, the Ford F-150 has long been celebrated for its reliability and performance, solidifying its status as a leader in the pickup truck market. One of the key factors contributing to its popularity is the versatility offered through various trims and engine choices. whether you need a workhorse for heavy-duty tasks or a more refined model for daily driving. The F-150 has options to suit every need, including powerful V6 and V8 engines that deliver impressive towing and payload capacities. In addition to its performance capabilities, the F-150 is equipped with advanced safety features and technology that enhance its reliability, with systems like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Drivers can feel secure knowing that the truck is designed to help prevent accidents and ensure safety on the road. Historically, the F-150 has achieved remarkable sales success, consistently ranking as one of the best-selling vehicles in the United States. This enduring popularity, coupled with strong customer loyalty, serves as a testament to the trust that drivers place in the Ford F-150, making it a top choice for those seeking a dependable and capable pickup truck. Number 2. Chevrolet Colorado. With 8.2 out of 10 rating, the Chevrolet Colorado has made a significant impact in the midsize truck market. Known for its reliability and impressive features, one of its standout qualities is its strong performance combined with excellent fuel efficiency. With a range of engine options, including a powerful V6 and a very efficient diesel variant, the Colorado delivers robust towing capabilities while ensuring that drivers can save at the pump. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate the Colorado's capabilities, especially with the Z71 and ZR2 trims designed for rugged terrain. These models come equipped with features like off-road suspension, skid plates, and all-terrain tires, making them ideal for adventurous outings. Additionally, the Colorado boasts advanced technology features such as a user-friendly infotainment system and smartphone integration, enhancing usability for everyday driving. Customer satisfaction ratings for the Colorado are consistently high, with many owners praising its reliability and performance. The truck has also received several reliability awards, further solidifying its reputation as a dependable choice in the midsize segment. With its blend of strength, efficiency, and advanced features, the Chevrolet Colorado stands out as a top contender for those seeking a versatile and reliable pickup truck. Number 1. Ford Ranger. With 8.2 out of 10, the Ford Ranger has emerged as a competitive choice in the midsize truck segment, known for its reliability and impressive features. One of the Ranger's standout attributes is its powerful engine, which delivers robust performance and impressive towing capabilities. With a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, the Ranger can tow up to 7,500 pounds when properly equipped, making it suitable for both work and recreational activities. In addition to its performance, the Ranger is equipped with advanced safety features that enhance its reliability on the road. Technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking work together to provide peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. These features not only help prevent accidents but also contribute to the overall dependability of the vehicle. Customer reviews consistently highlight the Ranger's performance and dependability, with many owners praising its smooth ride and handling. The truck's combination of strength, safety, and advanced technology has earned it a loyal following among drivers seeking a reliable mid-sized pickup. With its impressive capabilities and features, the Ford Ranger stands out as a top contender in its class. After introducing 9 pickup trucks so reliable you will never regret buying them, which one caught your attention? Comment below and share your thoughts with the reason why.